Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. We are making coconut scones. Grind 198 grams of sweetened coconut flakes. Chop some walnuts into pieces. Use any nuts of your choice. I used half cup of walnut. 3 full cups of strained flour. 1/4 cup of sugar. 2½ teaspoons of baking powder. 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Combine all ingredients and set aside. In another bowl, add 1 cup of coconut milk. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. ½ teaspoon coconut extract. 1 large egg. Whisk very well and refrigerate for at least 30 minutes. Add 113 grams of cold butter. Mix very well. Add 198 grams or 7 ounces of grinded coconut. ½ cup of pieces walnuts. Give it a very good mix. Add the wet ingredients. Mix thoroughly to form a dough. Work with the hand for best dough. Refrigerate for 15 to 30 minutes. Roll, but do not roll to flat. Cut as shown. Please click on subscribe button. Transfer to a baking pan. Please subscribe for more quality videos. Please drop your comment below. Thank you all for your support. Repeat and cut the rest. Egg wash the scones. Please add the video to favorites. Bake for 35 to 40 minutes on 350 F. It looks amazing. Please share this video. It was crunchy outside and soft inside with the walnut in it. It tastes delicious. Thank you all for tuning in. Stay safe.